So I'll put up a quick example of, let's go ahead and do Boolean has entered decimal equals false, and then I can go and say while has entered decimal has not entered decimal. That'll be decimal 1 equals 0. I'll say console right line enter decimal 1. Actually, how about right? That's better. Then I can say decimal 1 equals decimal dot triparse console dot readline out decimal 1. And what am I doing wrong again? Decimal 1 out decimal 1 decimal.
Oh, what does triparse return?
Why, Jason? Why?
I just told you. What does it return?
Why?
All right, I'll be quiet then.
Okay, so we have while not has enter decimal 1 has enter decimal equals triparse blah blah blah. This is a pattern that we saw repeated at least twice in the last program, and we do it so often. So let's say we wanted to enter another decimal. So right now we have enter decimal 1, but we wanted the user to enter a second decimal for whatever reason. So the first thing we do is we introduce a new variable called decimal 2. Then we reset our has entered decimal to false, and then we take this code, we copy and paste it, we say enter decimal 2, and then we put in decimal 2 right there. And what if we wanted the user to enter 3 decimals? Well, copy and paste this code, insert a new decimal 3 equals 0, change the copy and pasted code by 2 characters, and we now have 3 decimals. And then let's do something interesting with the decimals. I'll go ahead and do decimal result equals 0, and then I can go ahead and say result equals decimal 1 plus decimal 2 plus decimal 3, and I can say console right line result equals result. So the thing about this program is it actually works, and it works the way we expect it to. I can enter invalid input, and I get kicked back to the prompt. I can go ahead and type in proper values if I wanted to, and I get my result.